slip road or filter lane. Slow down when approaching slip road. Stop your vehicle if there are pedestrians crossing or approaching the slip road. Proceed with caution if there are no pedestrians. Do not check to the right traffic immediately after confirming no pedestrian. Look for any vehicle stopping or slowing down in the front within the slip road. Ensure the red car or the motorcyclist are out to the main road before looking at the traffic on the right. After confirming traffic is clear on the right, look at your lane and turn into the left lane. A video footage of an example of a vehicle hitting the car in front within the slip road.